Right lad, next I'm going to show you padlock shims. Padlock's locked up, just to show you it's all working. These are the southord padlock shims. Pretty straightforward to use. Put it on the inside like that. See, I've got that just on the inside. Slide it down, that's the side where the lock is. Apply some pressure to it either side. Push this down. Push the shim in. Pull the shackle up. Remove the shim. The padlock's open. You get a load of these in the pack. They're a great tool. You don't need any skill whatsoever to use them. The tool does all the job. Southord padlock shims, spot on.